Hello all, today we'll be learning about a concept of degree. So how we'll be using in Rhinoceros 3D software. So basically we have three types of curves in Rhino, which is one is line and one is control point curve and one is interpolate curve. So we create line with 2 points. It's a basic one, and also it's a control point actually form uh, with multiple points, and it's like an anchors of it. And these points, this start and end point will be on curve, and other points will be like a it acts like a pulling points, and this curve will be created according to that. An interpolate curve is a curve where the points will be on curve. So basically, when they also we also have in Rhino, if we can also on the control point curve and also interpolate curve, and also create control point curve and also create interpolate curve. So it depends on you how you want to create a curve and edit it and create a complete output. So what's degree? So let's start with an exercise in Rhino. And so I'm just creating 5 lines, which I'll be just doing an array. Five, yeah. So default, I just taken this polyline and I created 5 lines with array, right? If I on control points, so these are the start points and these are the end points, right? So there is an option called rebuild in Rhino. So if you type it and enter, and it is saying to select curve, so I'll select it and enter. So what you will be getting is this box here, and it says that in the bracket it says that present we have a degree 1 and point count is 2. It means like we have 2 points. So we can change the degree according to that. So present I'm keeping 1, and this has 10 points. Okay, so if you say preview, because it's a straight, so it's not that affectable. So I'm also changing for this curve, changing it as degree 2, and this is degree 3 and 10 points, and this is degree 4, and this is degree 5. So here we got all the curves, and now select owning the points, control points here, and selecting the center points and moving this up. So here we got a curve with a degree 1 and this curve with degree 2. Let me indicate that with a dot. This is with degree 1, degree 2, degree 4, and this is degree 5. So if you are on the control points, even if you go in the front view, you can see this is degree 1, the point is straight, and this is degree 2. So how this curvature actually affects? So basically when you use this control point, this is the control point curve command. So if you go inside, these are all the types of curves you got here, and this control point curve, if you click that, you'll get this as a degree 3. So in Rhino they will actually creates So actually they gives a default degree 3 when you are using any curve, and also interpolate curve it says degree 3, it's a default one. So this interpolate curves works like this: wherever you keep the point, so the curves will be on it. And here in control point curve, wherever you keep the point, it will not be the point will not be on curve. So that depends on you how you want to work. So in this session you learned about how to create a curve and what's a degree in Rhino. So let me know what sessions you want to learn in the comments, and subscribe our channel so you'll be getting the updates of our videos every day. So we'll be coming with new concepts and new techniques in the videos. Thank you so much. Signing off.